That was pretty awful and terrible. Today we're going to Monster Jam. Jams. That was my Monster Jam voice. You like it, Jessica?
Yep.
It's going to be very loud. I know that much. So I have my headphones in case it gets too loud, but I'm going to try to enjoy everything without my headphones. But for emergency purposes, I have the big one. So I'm kind of planning out my day this morning because I want to eat some good food. I really don't want to eat fast food because we always eat fast food. So I'm going to call a restaurant that I found on a website and see how much it costs. So I found this restaurant, The Refinery. It looks kind of good. Like they have burgers and stuff like that. So I want to call them and see how much their brunch is. Because I like breakfast. What do you like, Jessica?
I like breakfast.
Yes. All right, the number is 813-237.
We are unable to complete your call.
Boo! We're going, Jessica.
Okay.
We're just gonna live on the edge and show up and hope for the best.
Yeah.
So I'm getting prepared to go and taking all the stuff out I might need. So the weather's supposed to be pretty decent. Maybe a little rain shower between 5 and 7, and there's no roof. It's like an open arena. So I'm bringing my medium jacket sweater thing. I got my headphones, and then I have my small bag where I have my wallet and things like that. And I'm gonna travel light. That's all I'm bringing. Hopefully I'm making the proper clothing choice for the weather. It's hard to kind of know exactly what it's going to be like, but I think I'm going to be comfortable. Jessica, we just reached a snag in our master plan.
What happened?
Well, Kim says they don't serve brunch on Saturday, and lo and behold, she's right. I checked the website, so we have to find a new restaurant.
Dang it.
I know. We'll find something, though.
Yeah.
Guys, don't look at all the tabs I have open on my computer. Also, don't look at my desktop. I'll give you a sneak peek. Don't look. It's so embarrassing. I'm a little unorganized when it comes to my desktop on my computer. I want brunch now. Ooh, that's expensive. Okay, we won't go too far. Should we Google Tampa brunch?
Yeah.
I don't like sushi. Comfort food with a twist. How about that? Where's their website? You don't have a website?
Maybe right there where it says website.
Shut up, Jessica!
There we go.
All right.
That looks cute.
It looks like our kind of place.
Yeah.
Like casual, yet decent. Breakfast. Damn, brunch on Saturday! I'm so excited. Look at these pancakes. Woo! I found our place. All right. What's it called again? That's. Okay. I'll let Kim know because that's where we're going. Our ride is here. Yay. Let's get out of here. Bye, Yerby. Monster trucks. It's a beautiful day for monster truck riding. I won't be riding the trucks. Spoiler alert. What do you think? It's gonna be loud?
I think so.
We just found out that this place we're going to eat, That's, has mocktails. And I'm so down for this. They're only $5. I feel like I'm balling today. This is neat. I'm trying to decide between the kitchen sink pancakes and the French toast, which is like much more tame. The kitchen sink pancakes have bacon, cheddar cheese, and apples inside them, and then they're covered in apples and bacon and cheese. I think it would be something different to try because I'm usually scared to try new things with lots of ingredients. So I think I might try the kitchen sink pancakes just to be different, but I'm nervous. I don't know yet. This is my mocktail. I'm about to try it. I'm excited. Maybe if I mix it up.
Maybe if you stir it, yeah.
Stir it.
Okay.
Alright, let's try again.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah. Always stir your mocktail. I'm so full on French toast that I vow now to never eat again. And that should change by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Exciting news! There's been a change of plans, but a good change of plans. Since we are so early and we already finished eating and the actual Monster Jam doesn't start till 7. And then I remembered about the pit party, which they have. You can go see the trucks and stuff. And so we're gonna go and try to get tickets to that so we can go up close and personal and see the trucks and stuff. I'm not exactly sure what's included in that, but we're gonna go do it. Look, I didn't even check our tickets. We could have gotten it for free. So mad at myself right now, but I did the right thing. Gen vlog, stardate 236.99. That's for all you Star Trek fans out there. All one of you, plus me. So we just got done with the pit party and I was getting like kind of overwhelmed. It was really a lot of people swirling around. It was sort of loud, but I'm not as loud as the actual event's gonna be. But it was a little much for me because we had to like walk around, so you're constantly having to look where you're going and like watch out for bumping into people and everyone's going in a different direction type of thing. So I was a little over it. So we came back to the van and we're gonna put our bags here because Raymond James Stadium says they only allow clear bags or like very small purses. So we're doing that. It's gonna take a little quiet break right now in the van and then we're gonna go and line up for Monster Jams. Jams. That's my favorite truck. I hope it's here. I didn't see it in the pit party. It's my favorite because number 1, I love dogs, and number 2, I love orange. That's how I make my decisions in life. It's pretty simple.
I heard my boys were like,
That was pretty awful and terrible. I don't want to do that ever again. Just don't look. You shouldn't look inside the thing. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Okay, friends. Well, we're heading into the stadium now. I'm getting kind of anxious because it's a really big stadium. And I can already hear the noise from inside, but I got my headphones and so I'm ready. I don't usually have to wear my big headphones, but for this, I want to be prepared. Also, a lot of people have them today, so I don't feel like I'm sticking out or anything, which is pretty cool. And if you like these headphones and you want to get a pair, I'll put a link in the description to where I got them on Amazon. Okay, let's go inside. Even though the Bucks are terrible, it's still pretty cool to be in their stadium. Sorry if you're a hardcore Bucks fan. Don't hate me and unsubscribe. I didn't realize I had fancy tickets. We're like in the club part, and I got a souvenir cup.
We didn't even have to use that nasty restroom.
I know, we could have used a nice bathroom up here. It's like the club entrance. This is how the other half lives, man. first Monster Jams, and what I got to say about it, woohoo! I'm coming back again. This thing is awesome. If you got your headphones, it's not too loud, and it really wasn't too swirly in there once you get to your seat. And like going in and out of the stadium, it's pretty well organized, so it's like not too confusing and crazy. Final thoughts about going to Monster Jam today. I'm really happy I took a chance and, you know, decided to do something that looked interesting to me, but that probably I would have like been too scared to do in the past. And I'm glad I did it because it was a lot of fun. It was action. It's just exciting. The trucks and all the tricks, and it was a really good time. I'm glad I did it. It is really loud when you take your headphones off. Like if you do go to Monster Jam, I recommend you bring headphones because boy, those trucks are loud. They cut right through your eardrums like knives. So that part, gotta make sure you got some ear protection if you're sensitive. Jessica, what did you think of your first Monster Jam?
I loved it. It was so much fun.
It was so much fun.
So much fun.
Yeah, it was so much fun. That's just the words. All right, guys. Thanks so much for coming along with us, and I'm glad to share it with you. This is Jen Adventures TV. Thanks for watching. I'll see you another day with another video. Okay.